Hello, Yatri. So, welcome back to Yatri Cloud, and here is the time to distributing Yatri gifts to everyone. So, today is a very special day for me, and if you know, just let me know in the comment box, and just try to giving you the one hint. Exit 1 year ago, I already distributed Yatri gifts to everyone, so you can just figure it out, which is a special day for me. So, here you will be getting a numbers of benefit as you can see in the screen, right? And I will guide you how to get all the benefit. Some of are free, some of are highest discounted price. So let's get start today's video. And here I'm gonna be just giving you the quickly updates from Yatri Cloud. So where today we just distributed all the gifts to primary school students where you can see, so this is from Gujarat and my mom is currently primary teacher, so she distributed all the gifts to their students, and I really giving them best wishes for their career, for their health, and everything. So we are trying our best to improve the education, to trying to helping them to grow their career and their lifestyle. So yeah, there's something about our small help in the contribution of government schools. So now coming back to our special gifts for you, my Yadris. So where you'll be getting a numbers of benefit. So starting with 3 months of YouTube Premium. Second one is 1 year of Lovable. Third one is for the Headspace 4 months, and then Notion for Business. And last one is about NordVPN. So you will be getting all the benefit once you activated your LinkedIn Premium, which is career, which is business plan, or which is the sales navigator. So if you want to get it 75% off for your LinkedIn career or any other plan, so you will be getting all other benefit which I just showcase it to you. So 75% off is coming 249 per month only for career plan. So if you really wish to go with this is one benefit for you guys. Second benefit. So you're pretty much aware about AWS exam at 50% off. So once you schedule the 50% off exam with help of from my side, you will be getting the exam practice days, exam terms, and you will be getting exam guide and all the resources. So if you want to take it both benefit, what you have to do, you have to just go to your LinkedIn and AWS 50% off here. So click and you will be going to redirect it into the page where you are going to schedule the call, where I'm going to be schedule the exam and I will activate your LinkedIn premium plan, and you will be getting all the benefit which I described here. All right. So now coming back to the third and fourth benefit, which is totally free for you guys. So how to access your Claude certified architect practice test, including 360 questions. So what you have to do, you have to just click on the get coupon code, just copy code and click on the Udemy course, where you are going to redirecting into the my Udemy practice test, where you are going to apply the coupon code and enroll in totally free. So once you enroll, please let me know in the review sections. Is there something that I have to improve so I can update it and it would be helping everyone. So for that, first you have to enroll in 200 people only. All right. So try to apply coupon code and first come first serve basis, you will be getting it free. All right. Now coming back to the last benefit, which is really helpful for you guys for making a ATS based resume. So here, how to get your ATS resume? It's a very simple process, right? But why you need this, right? Let's say you have AWS certification, right? You are Azure certified or anything. You are scheduled the exam at 50% off. You invested your money, right? For the job, of course, right? And you will activate a LinkedIn premium for applying for the job and getting hired earlier as soon as possible, correct? But what if your resume is not shortlisted in the first round of any job? Then what happens? Is it worth it? I guess not really, correct? So what you have to do? You have to just upload the resume, whatever you have right now. I will convert into the ATS based resume and a standard format of job based resumes. So that I'm gonna be creating from my side and I will give you the new PDF for in your mail. All right. So that's how it works. So to getting a ATS based resume, what you have to do, you have to just click on the start here to get your ATS resume. So click here where you have to just enter your mail and upload your resume. All right. Once you upload the resume, I will update it as per the standard, and you will be getting the updated resume by end of this month. All right. So this is all the benefit that what you will be getting today. So apart from this, if you want to just give any feedback, anything that I have to improve, anything that Yati Cloud can do just more better, or some really positive or negative feedback, you can freely give in the comment box and let me know if you want any specific help. I would like to give you my best try to help you and giving you best wishes for your career success. So that's it pretty much about today's video. So yeah, see you soon in the next video. So till yet, subscribe to Yati Cloud and follow me on LinkedIn. All right, bye bye.